What if I told you that one simple oil could help moisturize dry hair, reduce breakage, add shine, and make your hair look healthier than ever? If your hair feels stuck at the same length, keep breaking, or looks dull, then you need to watch this video till the end, because avocado oil can help reduce hair fall as well and a lot of hair problems. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hello icons, welcome back in today's video. If you are new here, welcome to my space. I hope you join the family soon by subscribing and turning on the notification so that you will never miss any natural hair growth tips or remedy that we posting here. So in today's video, we are talking about a powerful natural oil which is known as avocado oil when it comes to healthy hair. So stay with me because I'm sharing the amazing benefits of avocado, how to use it correctly, and common mistake that may be stopping you from seeing results. Let's get started. Overripe they worry this avocado. So when it's overripe, I mash it well with my hand mortar. If your journey has been frustrating you, don't give up, because every inch of hair growth starts with a small daily habit. So stay consistent, be patient, take care of your hair. The results may not happen overnight, but one day you will look back and be wowed because of the pictures you will see compared to the present one. So stay focused and continue to put effort. Keep working on your hair, just keep going, and you will see the result fall into place on its own. Oh yes, before we proceed, I love onions. If you know, you know. I love onions because onions has helped me with my hair. You know, I was born with bad hair and onions have stepped in and changed the game for me. That is the main reason why I always add onions in almost all of my recipe. But if you don't like onion smell, you can go with rosemary. Rosemary too is another stimulant that will help you very well. Then I add in my oils. You can add sunflower oil, any oil of your choice, grapeseed, coconut, olive oil, the oil that works so well for you. Then I use the direct heat method to help drain the water from this oil. I don't want the oil to spoil. Avocado improves softness. Nobody likes rough, brittle hair. Regular use of avocado oil can help improve softness and make detangling more easier, reducing unnecessary hair loss during wash days. You can see the oil has started to change to avocado ceremony. You can see how the greenish part of the avocado oil is beginning to show. That's when you know that it is ready. And if you put a spoon inside and you notice that the spoon is not sticky, when the water begins to dry or the water has dry, you will notice, like now, you could clearly tell that the oil is separating well from the water. So you bring it down from the fire. Avocado nourishes the scalp. A healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair. Avocado also contains vitamin A, D, E, which helps nourish and moisturize the scalp. A hydrated scalp is less prone to dryness, itching, and blacky scalp. I go ahead to put my oil in a jar because I feel like it's more safe in there. This oil waited for 3 or 2 days, I think, before I strain it out. I also add extra oil because I want to loosen the oil and let the oil infuse properly before I strain it. So I went ahead to add more oil for that. After 3 days, it is time for me to drain or sieve my oil. This is how I sieve. This is the first method. I pour it in a sieve and I allow whatever that wants to come down to settle down. I left this oil for about 12 hours. That's overnight. Then this is what I have the next morning. And the oil, you could see that the oil has changed so much in color. Nevertheless, I used the leftover for a bread sandwich because that sauce was tasting nice. I almost used it for yam anyway, but I cherish my hair a lot as well. That is why I still continue with this video. If not, I could have used this entire oil to eat yam with it because the oil was smelling so nice. So you sieve your oil properly so that you will not get those residues in your hair. If you get it there, sometimes it's hard to get it out. That's why you have to avoid that. So I get my applicator bottle or any tight container of your choice, then pour your oil inside and your oil is ready. And this oil helps, it will moisturize your hair, add shine to your hair, stop or reduce breakage the minimum. For the fact that I love challenges, I'm also using this oil to do a challenge. I just braid my hair newly. As you can see, voila, this is my new hairstyle. I just made this hair yesterday and I want to use this oil with onion juice to see what this two can do for my hair. I hope you get me. So stay tuned and let's share the benefits of using this oil on your hair. Avocado is one of the best hair growth moisturizer to stop dryness. One of the biggest reasons hair breaks a lot is because of lack of moisture. Avocado oil is rich in healthy fatty acid that help locks in moisture into your hair shaft. When your hair stays moisturized, it becomes softer, more manageable, and less likely to snap or break. Remember, healthy hair retains length, and retained length looks like faster hair growth because you are saving and your hair is not breaking. Avocado reduces hair breakage. Many people think their hair isn't growing. The hair is actually growing, but it's still breaking at the same length. Oil will help coat the hair strands and help strengthen them, reducing damage caused by dryness, heat, styling tools, and daily manipulation. Less breakage means more length retention. Add shines to your hair. If your hair looks dull and lifeless, avocado oil can help restore your hair shine. It's smoothing the hair cuticles, helping your hair reflect light better and appear healthier. Another benefit of avocado, it helps protect hair from damage. Environmental stress, heat tools, and harsh weather can damage your hair. Avocado oil forms a lightweight protective layer around the hair strands, helping reduce moisture loss and damage. So now these are the ways you can incorporate avocado oil into your hair. You can actually use it as a pre-poo. That is another method. You can use it as a scalp massager. You massage to stimulate blood flow into your hair. The next one, the third one, you can use it as a hot oil treatment. That is where you warm up the oil and apply directly on your scalp, and it feels so good. 2 to 3 times in a week, and the result is massive. You can testify from my own hair. You notice how when I make this hair, it was looking so clean, but right now you can notice that my hair is beginning to get rough. It's because the new growth from using this combo, onions and avocado oil, is giving the bump on my hair. So now moving on to the mistakes for you to avoid while using this oil. Number 1, do not use too much oil on your scalp. If not, it might block the hair follicles that your hair needs to absorb that oil, the nutrient from the oil. Expecting overnight hair growth, it doesn't work like that. You have to work for you to see these results. Ignoring proper nutrients and hydration. You need to hydrate your hair and give your entire body the nutrients it needs so that you will see the results in your hair. Consistently manipulating your hair, you have to stop. Allow your hair to rest and breathe for a moment. Skipping protective style, it is not what it is. You have to put your hair in a protective style and look at the magic it will give you back in return. Consistency beats intensity every single time. It's not that you will go and use this oil one day, morning, afternoon, night, then the next week you will not do anything about it. So ask, have you ever used avocado oil for your hair growth? If you do, let me know in the comment section. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is trying to grow their hair long, healthier, naturally. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. My kiss is coming your way. Take it. Bye. One more thing, if you're a very busy person and you cannot make the DIY version of this oil, I will leave a link of this oil in the description where you can just go and get this oil and use it on your hair, and it's very affordable. So check the link in the description so you can get this oil.